Hi, welcome to part 17 of this video. In this video, we talk about the trading psychology in Forex. Every career, every works require the psychology of the person because if you have a strong personality, this personality represents the strong outcome of your career. So in order to success in forex, you need a strong psychology. This is where you invest the money in order to get more money. If your plan is failed, is in the forex market you lose money, it make you to more sad and it will affect your emotion. This is where the trading psychology comes in. The moment you lose money, you must know what is the mistake you done or what is the mistake you shouldn't repeat in the forex market. As a forex beginner, or forex expert who know experience in forex, they people know how to handle the emotion. The beginner don't know how the markets go, where is the market going, so they will depend on the advice given by the expert trader. However, the expert trader, he never depend on anyone. He only based on his own decision, gut decision. His intuition is the way he will determine the forex market, forex direction. I, as a forex trader, I was first. I have a feel for set for my losses. If I lost, I feel sad in the beginning. Then I realized that the forex market is work this way. Everyone will lose the money if they don't know how to respect the market. If you don't know how to respect or read the market, it will make you to lose the money. That punishment. It's like you lose if you don't study for the exam. What do? You will lose your exam because you're not preparing yet. If you study well, you preparing, you do homework, everything. What do? You can see the market fluently. This is my point of view. Basically, psychology involved forex psychology basically involves nervous, overconfidence, fear, greedy, anxiety, FOMO, and doubt. This is all is one of the phenomena that drive the forex market. If you trade very well, it lead to your overconfidence. You think like I'm the forex market mover, forex money. I can see the forex movement anywhere. I'm the world best trader, and this is only happen for 3 months because after 3 months the forex market will be changed based on the season. When the summer season comes, your trading strategy will not working anymore. Then you will lose money, you fail, and you get anxiety. So some people are nervous to trade the forex using their real money. This is also one of the factor. The new people are who entering the forex very confident trading the forex with the demo account. However, when come to the real money, they feel fear and nervous because every moment they lose few pips from the few floating negative floating in the forex make them to nervous and come out quickly. You need to know the reason why you enter the market. If you know the market will be sale or drop, that makes you to be confident and no need to exit the market fluently. That's the another psychology in the forex. Some people have a FOMO. FOMO means fear of missing opportunity. This is where they see the market analysis like there is a basically have a crypto fever in the among the millennials in the US. The every time the Elon Musk talk anything, the cryptocurrency Bitcoin is increase. This is all is a FOMO. Every time there is a news release in the forex or there is a uh, any news release from the particular country, people think this country will be perform well. That make them to put more money in order to not miss the opportunity. However, this is all not working in the forex. You need you must know the forex is a machine. It's like a vending machine. The vending machine only works in the system already fixed inside. If you the coke in the vending machine is producing coke, what it do? This asking money for the coke is $2. You put $2 on the vending machine, then you just press the coke. Then you get the money from the you get the coke as a return. What the money you pay. This is the forex. You see the trend. Then you will invest the money like a Coke machine, vending machine. You put the $2 in the lot size in the forex. Then you put the buy position and stop loss how much you want to lose. Then you set and go. This is the way. If you trade, you think forex like anything like a supercomputer is not happen there. Forex is like a vending machine. You just insert the money and put your stop loss and go. If the forex is not working as your favor, it will say hit the stop loss and you already lose the money as you already targeted. Or you put lot of money or you want to wipe all your account in one moment also, is all depending on your decision. The doubt. You have a doubt in the trading position you are entering, you have to ask yourself. First, as a trader, you must ask yourself why you trade. Why you choose that particular currency in order to trade. Why you put that particular position, lot size in order to open your position, buy position or sell position. If you doubt, if you already put that money and you asking yourself why 2 times why you are entering that position is not a good trade. Every trader know what they're doing. Every best trader. It is like me. In my case, I basically refer to the forex market chart pattern, and also I look into the Fibonacci level, and I ask myself why I'm asking putting money on that particular position. Because basically, if you know the reason you enter the market, you won't asking for the other people opinion. Because at the end, if you lose the money, you are the one responsible for that. No one going to replace the money for you. So that's a thing you have to consider before trading. The trading psychology is more important for the experienced trader and a beginner trader. You as a beginner trader, you must learn from the forex psychology from the expert like us. We have a list of procedure you have to follow during the trading and after the trading. Because if you follow the standard of procedure mean the list of rules I mentioned. There are only 7 rules in trading psychology. Trading psychology I mentioned for my students. When you follow the 7 psychology, you know where the market goes. The students who teach coach under my umbrella, they all know how to forex market move. They also know how to recover their losses very quickly. Even the amateur trader who traded for long, they also have get quick advice from us. Because when you have a quick mentor beside you in order to guide you where to enter, where shouldn't enter, this make you to know the clear path of the forex market. Even sometimes we are advising our student do not trade, because in trading psychology you lose more money in forex. No one can stop you because it's your money. At the end, you are the responsible for that. What if that money is your life saving? If you lose your life saving, you are the one who put your life at the risk. You are the one responsible for your life. That's why I in the beginning I was coaching my all my students that's trading psychology. Basically, we don't help we don't train our student to trade in the demo account. If you trade in demo account, that is a different feeling compared to the real account. So this is what we do. Basically, we ask our student to open a basic account, I mean a micro account. Then they will just put $10 on that account. They just trade with $10, 1 cent for that 1 cent for each lot size. They trade for long time, for 1 month at least. Then they will gradually increase to the $100. They will trade that $100 to for through 2 to 3 months. After they gradually know how to manage the risk for $100, then I will ask them to put the money they like to the effort to put in the forex market. This is the way to increase gradually. You cannot go from 1 to 10 from one night. You have to go step by step to reach that position. The trading psychology is a humankind. Humans are so emotional, a social creature. So in order to coach them, we will basically coach them every day. We will share in our forum some quotes given by Warren Buffett, or we will give our own trading advice. before these people are entering the market, because if they get supportive from someone else, they will feel more secure. This is a psychology. You have a psychiatric which is can help you to give you some good guidance that help you to feel calm.